In today's fast-paced world, convenience and efficiency are paramount, especially in the kitchen. Whether you're a college student in a dorm, a professional working in a small apartment, or someone who loves to travel in an RV, having a reliable and versatile cooking appliance can make all the difference. Enter the Ovente electric countertop double burner. This 1700-watt cooktop with dual hot plates promises to revolutionize your cooking experience with its impressive features and capabilities. In this comprehensive review, we'll explore everything this double burner has to offer, ensuring you have all the information needed to make an informed purchase decision. If you're ready to enhance your cooking experience with the Ovente electric countertop double burner, don't hesitate. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and make your purchase today. Enjoy the convenience and efficiency of this exceptional cooking appliance in your kitchen, wherever that may be. One of the standout features of the Ovente electric countertop double burner is its dual heating plates. Equipped with a 6-inch and a 5.75-inch hot plate, this burner is designed to handle a variety of cooking tasks simultaneously. The stainless steel coil heating tubes ensure quick heat-up times and even cooking, making it ideal for frying, boiling, simmering, and keeping food warm. The ability to use 2 burners at once means you can prepare a full meal without needing a traditional stove. With 1700 watts of power, the Ovente double burner delivers consistent and efficient heating. This high wattage ensures that your food cooks evenly and quickly, reducing overall cooking time. The metal housing of the burner is resistant to high temperatures, ensuring durability and longevity. Whether you're boiling water for pasta or frying up some vegetables, this burner provides the reliable performance you need. Cooking precision is crucial, and the Ovente electric countertop double burner excels in this area. It features adjustable temperature control knobs, allowing you to set the perfect temperature for your culinary needs. The indicator lights illuminate red when the cooktop is warming or heating and turn off once the desired temperature is reached. This feature helps prevent overheating and ensures your food is cooked to perfection every time. One of the biggest advantages of the Ovente double burner is its compact and lightweight design. It's perfect for adding extra cooking space during holidays or parties and is a great addition to any small kitchen, dorm room, office, or RV. The burner is also portable enough to take on vacation or camping trips, providing you with a versatile cooking solution wherever you go. Cleaning up after cooking can be a hassle, but the Ovente electric countertop double burner makes it easy. The premium stainless steel base allows you to clean food drippings and splatters effortlessly with a non-abrasive sponge or soft damp cloth. The non-slip rubber feet ensure the burner remains stable during use and prevent it from sliding, adding an extra layer of safety and convenience. Purchasing a kitchen appliance is an investment, and Ovente stands by the quality of its products. The company offers a 1-year warranty against defects in material and workmanship under normal use and conditions. This US-based customer service lets you buy with confidence, knowing that any issues will be promptly addressed. The Ovente electric countertop double burner is a lifesaver for those living in small spaces. If you reside in a studio apartment or a dorm room, traditional cooking appliances might not be an option. This compact burner provides all the functionality of a stove without taking up much space. Its portability also means you can easily store it away when not in use, keeping your kitchen area clutter-free. For RV enthusiasts and frequent travelers, the Ovente double burner offers the convenience of home-cooked meals on the go. Its lightweight design makes it easy to pack, and the dual burners allow for more versatile cooking options. Whether you're camping in the great outdoors or traveling across the country in your RV, this burner ensures you can prepare delicious meals without relying on campfires or limited cooking facilities. Hosting a large family gathering or holiday party often requires more cooking space than a single stove can provide. The Ovente double burner serves as the perfect extra cooking surface. From boiling water for extra pasta to simmering sauces or keeping side dishes warm, this burner helps you manage multiple dishes simultaneously, ensuring everything is ready to serve at the same time. The Ovente electric countertop double burner offers unparalleled versatility and convenience. Its dual hot plates allow for simultaneous cooking, while the compact design makes it suitable for a variety of environments. Whether you're looking for a reliable cooking solution for a small apartment or a portable option for your travels, this burner meets all your needs. Constructed with durable materials, the Ovente double burner is built to last. The stainless steel heating tubes and high-temperature resistant metal housing ensure they can withstand regular use without warping or bending. This durability makes it a valuable addition to any kitchen, providing long-term reliability. Ease of use is a significant advantage of the Ovente double burner. The adjustable temperature controls and indicator lights make it simple to achieve the perfect cooking temperature. Additionally, the easy-to-clean stainless steel base and non-slip rubber feet make maintenance a breeze, ensuring your cooking area remains clean and safe. With a 1-year warranty and responsive US-based customer service, Ovente provides peace of mind with your purchase. Any issues or defects are promptly addressed, ensuring you can buy with confidence. This commitment to customer satisfaction sets Ovente apart from competitors and highlights their dedication to quality. Conclusion: a must-have for any kitchen. The Ovente electric countertop double burner is a versatile, efficient, and reliable cooking solution perfect for small spaces, travel, and additional cooking needs. Its powerful dual hot plates, precise temperature control, compact design, and easy maintenance make it a standout choice for anyone seeking a high-quality portable cooktop. If you found this review helpful and want to see the full product specifications, click the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews and cooking tips.